Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on battery saver on your Google Pixel 10. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the control center or the notification center, whatever you prefer to call it, by scrolling from top to bottom. Then extend the control center by scrolling down again. And then press the pen icon, and here, if it's not already added in your main menu, find the battery saver. It's under utilities, and press on the plus icon to add it to your main screen. You can even drag it to adjust like the style of it. And then once you're done, just press this button in the top left, and this is where you're going to have the battery saver. So wherever you say that, it's going to appear. So now let's tap on that, and here you have your battery saver enabled. You can also hold on it to open up battery saver settings and to change the type of battery saver. So you have standard or extreme, and extreme battery saver is basically what it says down here. It's the same as your usual standard battery saver, but with non-essential apps paused, so they don't work in the background, and the notifications. So just select the option that you want, and once you're done, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and be sure to like and subscribe.